তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস ঠিক করবে, বেঙ্গল ঠিক করবে, বাংলায় দিশা দেখাবে, বাংলায় পথ দেখাবে, বাংলায় রাস্তা দেখাবে। রুখতে পারে কি কেউ? তাই জোর করে নির্বাচন করে রোখা যাবে না তৃণমূলের জেতার ঢেউ। এটা মানুষের ঢেউ, এটা মানুষের তুফান, এটা মানুষের তর্জন, এটা মানুষের গর্জন।
Yusuf Pathan, Shotgun Sinha, Kirti Azad, and 39 other names sprinkled with political and star power equally. With Trinamool Congress making its list of all 42 candidates public, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has sent out a clear message. Her party will go solo in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Mamata has not only dumped the Congress-led India bloc in the state, she is also eyeing to make inroads in the grand old party's stronghold in Bengal. The TMC has fielded former Indian cricketer and explosive batter Yusuf Pathan from Behrampur, which is currently held by none other than Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Behrampur, the 7th largest city of the state, remains one of Congress's unconquerable forts. Congress's leader in the Lok Sabha, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, has held the Behrampur seat since 1999. Prior to that, the seat was continuously held by Revolutionary Socialist Party ever since the first Lok Sabha elections in 1952, except once in 1984. Adhir has not only won the constituency 5 consecutive times, he has also managed to secure at least 45% of votes in every contest. CM Mamata Banerjee's decision to field Yusuf Pathan from Behrampur is a careful one. Pathan is expected to help TMC consolidate the minority votes, which has a significant Muslim population. In fact, most reports suggest Muslim votes may end up being the deciding factor in Behrampur. Although Yusuf comes from Gujarat, his connect with the people of West Bengal strengthened during the IPL days when he was playing for the Kolkata Knight Riders. Moreover, TMC's bet on celebrities for big poll battles is not a new tale. In 2019, it was actors Mimi Chakrabarti and Nusrat Jahan that helped the party secure 2 seats in the Lok Sabha polls. While Adhir looks solidly dug in with his 5 wins, a closer look at the data shows that the Congress stalwart has faced a decline of at least 10% in his vote share in the past decade. While the Member of Parliament secured 56.9% votes in 2009, he settled for 46% in 2019. The TMC would be looking to exploit this anti-incumbency against Adhir Chaudhary. Remember, the Congress leader has also expressed his displeasure over the ex-India Allies candidate from his seat.
यूसुफ पठान के बारे में ममता बनर्जी की अगर कोई अच्छा सोच होती तो कम से कम गुजरात में गठबंधन से एक सीट की मांग कर लेती कि मेरा एक ही उम्मीदवार खड़ा होगी गुजरात सीट के नाम है यूसुफ पठान। लेकिन यहां उनको इसलिए भेजा गया कि आम लोगों में ध्रुवीकरण हो, बीजेपी को मदद मिले और कांग्रेस पार्टी हारे।
Did that sound like a confident leader who is ready to take the challenge head on? It seems Yusuf continues to wreak havoc among the opposition even off the field. We will have to wait for a few more weeks to know who exactly will Behrampur vote for.